Hey, art friends, we hope you had an awesome 4th of July holiday. We had an awesome vacation, didn't we?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Fireworks!
Fireworks! Mine was food.
Food. Fireworks!
We hope you're going to follow along with us today. What are we drawing?
Violet from Incredibles 2.
Yes, Violet from Incredibles 2. But before we do that, we need to spotlight some of our awesome art friends that did our 4th of July challenge. Check it out. Connor and River are awesome. Mm-hmm. They do a lot of our challenges, and even Mama does the challenge with them.
Yeah.
They all did awesome. I love their Statue of Liberties, and I love Uncle Sam. They did a great job drawing and coloring. Mama's drawing looks awesome too, doesn't it? It looks like Uncle Sam's eating a hot dog.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Connor and River and Mama, for being our first spotlight. And then our second spotlight, look what they did.
Whoa.
They did awesome too. They drew Abraham Lincoln and Uncle Sam. Now, him and his mom both did the challenge. And it looks like, what does it look like they're doing? Having a big giant?
Having a big picnic.
Yeah, a big picnic. A big 4th of July picnic. They got fireworks. They got a bunch of food. They even got a huge barbecue going in the background. Is that awesome?
Yes.
Yeah, I love the fireworks exploding in the sky too. Now, our third spotlight is Ava. And she says that she loves the 4th of July because of the cookout and also what?
Sparklers.
Sparklers.
I love sparklers.
You love sparklers too. Congratulations, Ava, on being our third spotlight. Okay, our fourth and final spotlight. Look what they drew. A sandwich with fireworks in the background. It's a very festive sandwich. I love the fireworks, and I love how well they colored the sandwich too. They even added a little bit of shading. Congratulations to all of you guys that were spotlighted in today's lesson. And we also want to congratulate all of our art friends that submitted their art to AFKH Challenge. Yeah, you guys all did awesome. Now for this lesson, what do our art friends need? Marker?
Marker, paper, coloring.
And colorings. Now you guys can pause the video right now to gather up all of the supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, our first step we're going to draw is Violet's eyes. We're going to draw circles, 2 circles right in the middle, but towards the top of our paper. So we're going to draw them about this size. Draw them about this size. And with that much space in between them. Yeah, there you go. Then in the top left, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the highlight in her eyes to make her eyes look shiny and friendly. And then we're going to draw another circle, but we're only drawing part of it because it's behind the highlight.
Yes.
So it looks like a C shape. Sideways, upside down, C shape. Then let's color in her pupil. The small circle. There we go. We'll darken that in. Now we're going to draw a bigger circle that goes around the whole thing. And then we're also going... That's okay. Keep going. That's okay. That's all right. I love how you did it. You did it different than I did. And that's totally fine, right?
Yes.
Because the most important thing is...
To have fun.
Yes, to have fun. You colored the iris. Okay, now let's draw that. We're going to draw another circle that goes around the whole thing. And this is for her eye, the white part of her eye. So I'm going to kind of draw... It's almost like an oval shape. But if you want, you could just draw circles to make it easier. There we go. Oh, I like how big you're drawing them. Perfect. Now let's draw her mask. We're going to start here on this side. We're going to go up over her eyes, back down close to her nose, back up over her eye, and end on the right side. Yeah. Now we're going to draw the bottom of her mask. We're going to start here at the same place, go up over where her nose would be, back down, and then connect. Now we're going to color in her mask at the end when we fast forward. We're going to color it black, but let's leave it just like that for now. Now let's draw her nose. We're going to draw a U shape for her nose. Then we can draw her mouth. It's a cute nose. Then we're going to draw her mouth. We're going to draw her smiling. Then we can draw 2 little cheek lines. All right, now let's draw her head. We're going to draw her chin first. We'll start right here next to her mask. And we're going to come down like this. And then back up on the other side. You can draw with a little chin. Or if you want, just draw a simple U. Now let's draw her ears. We're going to draw one C shape over here. And a backward C over here. Then we can also draw the details in her ears. Let's draw a little curve at the top and then a smaller C. We're going to do the same thing over here.
That's like our new way.
Our new ears.
Our new ears.
And a backward C. Now let's draw the top of her head. She's going to look bald at first, but we'll fix it. We'll fix
like
it at the end.
Jack.
Yeah, kind of like Jack. So that's the top of her hair. Then we're going to draw her hair so she doesn't look bald. We're going to draw an S line. We'll start here on the right side. We're going to curve down over her mask and then connect to the ear. Ah, she already looks better now.
Yeah.
Now that she has hair. Then we're going to draw a curve over here on this side to finish the right side of her hair. Now, it already looks more like Violet. Now she has a headband, and we're going to draw another upside down U that goes over the top for her headband, back down, connect to her ear. Now let's do one more of those lines for her hair behind her headband. So we're going to go up, over, and back down.
Down.
We're going to finish her long hair at the end after we draw her body. So let's draw 2 lines for her body first. And you could draw them a little longer, yeah. So she's taller. There you go. Now let's draw her waist. We're going to draw a curve that connects the bottom. And we could draw her belt. So we're going to draw another line above that one. Then we'll draw the rest of her body. We'll draw a U shape, comes down and connects back up. Now let's draw her legs. We're going to draw one really long leg that comes down. And we want to leave a little room for her feet down at the bottom. Then we're going to do another one on the other side. Now let's draw the inside of her legs. We're going to draw a line that comes down. Watch this. Look how close it gets towards her ankle.
Cool.
So we start down here. We're further away. And then we get closer down here at the bottom. Yes. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to start here. And then we're going to get really close to her ankle. Now let's draw her feet. We'll draw a sideways U that's kind of small.
Kind of small.
Kind of small. And then we're going to draw her heels. So we'll draw another U shape that's really skinny. Oh, it's perfect. I like it. Then we're going to repeat those same steps over here on the other side. Sideways U and then a U for her heel.
That one.
Okay, she has
Good.
super tall boots. So we're going to draw a line that's up here close to the top of her leg. And we'll draw a line over here on the other side also. Now let's draw her arms. We're going to draw one that's bent and then on her hip. So we're going to draw a sideways V. Then we're going to draw another sideways V inside of that for her arm. So we're going to come here where her elbow is, and then we'll come down here. And you connected it, and that's okay. I'm going to connect it in also, but I kind of made it come out so it looks like she has a hand. And if you want, you can draw another little curve there so it looks bent, resting on her. Yeah, just like that. You did it. Okay, now she has really long gloves, so let's draw a line close to her elbow. Yeah. Now let's draw her other arm. She's going to be holding up one of her awesome power, her orbs. It's like a force field. Yeah, it's really cool. So we're going to start here, same place we did over here where her shoulder is. We're going to draw a V, comes down, bends for her elbow, comes back up. Yeah. Now we're going to do another one right below it. Elbow, and then back up to her wrist. Then let's draw a little thumb. And then we'll draw a sideways U for the rest of her hand. Just to keep it simple. You could add little fingers if you want. I like it. Looks like she's got an oven mitt on.
Oven mitt.
Yeah, mittens. Now let's draw her glove. We're going to draw a little line next to her elbow for a glove. It's perfect. I like it, Hadley. Then we're going to draw her force field. Where she's going to be holding a little glowing orb.
So
force
hot
field.
that she needs a kitchen.
Yeah, she needs an
glove.
oven mitt. Because her powers are so hot. Okay, it kind of looks like her, but she needs long hair, right? So we're going to start here. See how this line comes down close to her ear, and then we're going to imagine it coming out behind, and then we're going to come in. I'm going to connect it right there, and then I'm going to imagine it going behind. Yes, there we go. Now let's finish the other side too. So I'm going to imagine it coming behind her ear. It's going behind the orb, coming out the bottom, going behind her her hand, and then coming down and connecting to her waist. Awesome. Now we're missing one last thing. What is it? Something on her super suit.
Incredible eye sign.
Yeah, the eye sign, the logo, the incredible logo. So let's draw an oval. It's fun drawing the logo, the Incredibles logo. Okay, now at the top we're going to draw the dot that's at the top of the eye, so a circle. Then we're going to draw a tall rectangle right below it to finish the eye. So go up, over, and down. Then there's little swooshes on the side. So up here we're going to start close to the eye, but towards the bottom we're going to get thicker. Look at that. Close at the top. Yes. Then we're going to reverse it on the other side. We're close down at the bottom and then thick up at the top. Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing Violet. Yours turned out perfect. It looks so cute. I love it. Now, we're not completely done. We still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color Violet. She's going to look awesome colored in. Now, this part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing Violet. Your drawing turned out super cute. I love it very much. Now, when we colored in the hair, we colored it black, but her gloves were also black too. So we added little highlights to make her gloves look shiny so you could still see it in front of the hair. I also added purple highlights to her hair, but you could leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier, right? We also added purple for Violet to shade the little orb that she's holding, the force field. It looks really cool. Now we're not completely finished with our drawing. What time is it, Hadley?
Challenge time.
It's challenge time. We need to challenge our friends to finish their drawing by doing what?
Add a background.
Add a background? What should be in the background?
The city with the underminer.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Draw the city. You could draw lots of buildings, and then you could draw the underminer's drill, and even the underminer. You could draw him really small because he's far away.
Yeah.
That would be really cool. And then ask your parents to post a photo of it on Instagram and use 2 tags. Tag us in it at Art for Kids Hub, and the second one is a hashtag
AFKH challenge.
AFKH challenge that keeps all the art together so it's easy to find. Then we'll pick one lucky art friend to spotlight in our next lesson. We had a lot of fun drawing with you guys. We hope you had fun too. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next lesson and also our next live stream. Should we say goodbye to our art friends?
Yes.
See you later, art friends. Goodbye.